Hi, my name's Ryan Adamson with MOSO Bamboo Outdoor. I'm here today to talk to you about our fluted and Dutch lap cladding options in MOSO Bamboo Thermo and MOSO Bamboo N-durance. So our MOSO Bamboo Outdoor Dutch lap cladding comes in a couple of different options: 7-inch wide, 6-inch wide, and in N-durance 6-inch wide. All of these boards should be installed on battens, allowing airflow behind the boards. If you attempt to install this directly to sheathing, you are highly likely to have issues with your installation. We want to ensure that all installations have a minimum of a 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch air gap behind the boards so that you get maximum airflow, and which balances the moisture and temperature around the material for best sustained performance. What I am showing here in these mock-ups is multiple different installation methods as well as multiple different products. We have the Dutch lap cladding here. We also have our new fluted cladding. This is our triple fluted and our double fluted. All of these install with our MOSO asymmetric clip fastener. So they can all be installed even in plane with each other. As you notice here, I've got the 1x6 Dutch lap installed with the fluted accent cladding. These products can all be installed in the same plane. You can mix and match styles and widths and have a really unique installation. The question that we get most frequently and the most popular installation method at the moment is vertical. Again, maintaining an air gap and moisture escape in your installation is important. One way you can do that is with a diagonal furring strip. Diagonal furring strip can be installed at 12 inches on center, and you do not have to seam the boards on a furring strip. With this installation here, our tongue and groove end match will hold the boards straight and keep them in plane. I'll go over how the clip fastener is installed in a minute. The seam, you can have it here in space. Your next board, we just rest in, tab it over. Another option, if you are in a more humid climate, say Pacific Northwest or areas where you get a lot of rain, we would probably recommend this double batten installation where you have vertical battens and horizontal battens so that you get maximum airflow and moisture escape. Just another way to do a vertical installation. For horizontal installation is much simpler. You're going to use vertical battens, run your boards horizontally. Again, you don't have to seam them on a batten, but if you do space your battens out properly, that really should not be a problem. Coming in September of 2025, all of our cladding will be available in 8-foot lengths. These 8-foot lengths, you can run your battens at 16, 24, whatever interval it is that you would normally run them. Important things to know: MOSO Bamboo Thermo will gray with exposure to UV and exposure to sunlight. It will gray to approximately this tone. This board is only about 9 months old. As time goes on, 18 months, it will get more silver. Do not expect that you'll be able to maintain this brown. We don't expect for siding systems that you would be oiling or refinishing these installations. So expect that you will have a gray building. For the Bamboo N-durance, again, we don't expect that you're going to maintain an oil coat on it, so you will expect a lighter amber tone, be more dynamic. Here are some photos of weathered N-durance. Now we're going to go to installation and how the fasteners attach. The way that your MOSO asymmetric fastener works with our Dutch lap cladding is the clip has a toothed side and a wave side. The toothed side goes over the tongue edge of the board, and the wave side is ready to accept your next board. So we're going to screw this in. Our screws are stainless steel screws, and you should not ever use an impact driver with stainless steel screws. You want to use a standard drill driver with a lowered torque setting so that you don't overdrive the screws. Now that you're here, your next board is ready to be tapped into place with a mallet. Another thing that we have to mention with regards to the vertical installation, these clips are not capable of holding all of the weight of a whole wall of installed boards. So it is important that you install a screw at the base of the row into your battens that will hold the weight of the column of boards. Additional uses for our Dutch lap cladding. Our Dutch lap cladding can be used for soffit or outdoor ceilings. This is a ventilated installation, so there is an air gap between the boards created by the clip that will allow air to move around the board. If you are in a high fire zone or a WUI zone, you may have to consider a fire rated sheathing behind, like Den's glass, if you're going to use this material. Otherwise, you can use our closed cladding system, and the closed cladding, there is no air gap, which will block the fire intrusion. So once again, thank you for watching and considering our Dutch lap siding options in MOSO Bamboo Thermo and N-durance.